Good morning, guys. How's it going? Today I'm going to Essaouira. I am at the Agadir bus station. I'm waiting for the bus. Okay, so there's one option if you would like to come over here. You can take the bus, but it is taking too long. You can go for you can come over here with normal taxi or the shared taxi, which is like grand taxi, like big taxi. All right. So it is not really close to the center, but by car it is taking like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, I'll see you in Essaouira. I have ordered myself a tea and waiting for my bus to come. This is my ticket, by the way, to Essaouira. Here is the old town of Essaouira. Essaouira. Oh guys, I'm so hungry. I need to go grab some tagine soon. Perfumes. Years ago when I came here, well actually it was in Marrakesh, I bought one aftershave stone, it was a white stone, and even if you cut your face slightly, you're putting it on, it was preventing for it to bleed, but I can't find it. So annoying. I'll keep asking, I'll get there. This gentleman at this shop I found the stone, and then now he's taking me to a restaurant and he's telling me that I'm going to have the best tagine in Morocco. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your help. Thank you. Okay, and now this gentleman is very nice to show us how to make the tagine.
Welcome.
All right.
Tagine chicken.
Chicken.
Yes.
Poulet.
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
Chicken.
Chicken also.
Or couscous.
Couscous. All right. So, chicken tagine, and I've got the flatbread and a Coke. Guys, from Agadir to here, it took 4 hours by bus. I was thinking it was going to be 3 hours, but it lasted more than I thought. It was horrendous. By the way, don't buy your tickets online. They can be a bit expensive, Oops, sorry, I got hiccups. And if you buy from the driver or from the station, it's a lot cheaper. All right, I'll go to the seaside now. We're going to see the cannons. And what else? We'll see. For that tasty, delicious food, including the tip, I have paid 120 dirham. Pretty decent price, and the food was lovely. Name of the place was, by the way, Chef Rashid. Oops. Beautiful place, guys. Much better than what I was expecting. Whoa. Loads of handcraft shops. And here I'd like to show you something. The top one is Arabic Middle one is the Berber language, and French. French is widely spoken in here, and many people, as soon as they see me, they're trying to speak to me in French. Oops, do I look French, guys? I can speak a bit French, but like, not so good.
Oui, bah tu mets 45.
I should go from here now. Oops. Because I need to go to the castle. Or we're going to see the cannons. Good work. Alright. What was the name of that film? They filmed it over here. Oh, shame I can't remember. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh, crikey. Whoa. Are you French?
Italia,
Italia, come stai? Tutto bene?
tutto a posto.
Tutto a posto. And here are the cannons, guys. Spanish era. And there are Dutch ones as well. Oops. It's getting really hot. Really, really hot. And one more thing about Essaouira. Jimi Hendrix played a gig in here. Wow. I'm going to a rooftop restaurant now. Il mare, the sea in Italian. Has to be in here. And I forgot to mention, Essaouira has another reputation, paradise for surfers. You can predict it from the sea, huh? Can't you? Sorry, the ocean, not the sea. And there's a Jewish quarter in here. We will be going there soon. As of 2017, you know, they're saying like just a couple of Jews left living over here. I think they have immigrated to other countries, mainly to Israel, I think. And you know, they're very good at trade, and therefore back in the day, the Moroccan government, they wanted to locate them here in Essaouira because this is the third biggest port of Morocco they have here. It's very good for trade, isn't it? Import. I love this alleyways, narrow streets, and they're always ending up look at that. Oh dear, amazing, isn't it? Okay, I'll be honest with you. When I came here on the year 2011, I didn't like the people that much, I'll be honest, okay, because they were like jumping on you, touching you. Please, my friend, come to my shop, come to my shop. Well, this is my second day over here in Morocco. Both cities, not in here, in Essaouira, neither in Agadir. The thing that which I've experienced before hasn't happened. So I'm really chuffed. Keep it up, Morocco. I love you. All streets are connecting to Main Street, which is a big plus. Well, at least for me. You can watch football here at a massive screen. Not as massive as I was thinking, but that will suit the case. Okay. And this has to be the main beach, or maybe I'm mistaken. Guys, I live in North Berwick. If you are from Scotland, you know what am I talking about. Sea so much resembles me there. I'm not homesick yet. Puddles, 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 puddles. It was raining like cats and dogs from the day that when I arrived in here. Sorry. For the guys, I can't speak. Morocco, they are saying that this rainfall is a bliss for them. Oh, I am at the fish market, guys. And look at the fishing boats. They're all colored in blue. There it is, we're going there now. Look at that. And they can even, you can choose the fish that which you want them to cook for you, you know. And they're cooking it in front of you. Awesome. Shall I give it a go? But I'm not hungry. Ah. That's the place. So you are all getting your fish. They're cooking it for you, grilling actually. Wow, this fish market is really big. A lot bigger than what I thought. But the smell is fish starts to smell from the beginning. That's how we say in Turkish. Whoa. When I was in Barcelona, I tried the oyster, sea urchin. Both, they weren't nice at all. Oh yeah, this is the main beach, guys. Sorry, I thought the previous place was it, but I was mistaken. The weather is 19 degrees, much better than yesterday. Crack on like that until Saturday. After I leave, you can do whatever you want. I had a nice stroll. Now I'm just chilling. I'll go have a beer later, but I don't know where. We'll see. Oh yeah, not the sea, guys, the ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Shall I go and swim? Nah, not a good idea. I'm going to make one. Mix of fruits, huh? Pomegranate. Very healthy option. Healthy. Alright, my lovely subscribers. An hour left for my bus. and that indicates something. End of this beautiful video. If you have enjoyed, please don't forget to hit the like button. Then I'm going to see you somewhere next time. I have no idea where, but